What I got from my this is what I got from my lettuce. It's enough to make a toast salad or for a sandwich. So good morning guys, it's me again, 1BX girl. So this is my tiny garden, and I'm just starting to grow them because here the months are limited to plants. Hi. Aisha said hi.
I am giving the plants some food to eat.
Okay, and this is what I got from my tiny garden. I got spinach, and
With a
sweet potato
hamburger.
tops and
With a
lettuce.
hamburger.
So I clean it up, and you see the basil.
And
That's
for
a
a
basil.
hamburger.
Yeah, and I have a calamansi, lemon seed too,
And how about
eggplant,
this?
lemongrass.
How about this one?
I have peppermint. This is sunflowers.
And how about that?
A minute be. I have herba buena, the sweet mint, and this is rosemary. If you can just smell it, it smells so good. It's good for your meat. And I have ampalaya there, better gourd,
And a banana.
and a banana. Yeah, I have to show you our banana. Yeah, that's our banana. I already used the leaves for my
And this one.
sweet rice. Then another ampalaya. Then here's my
That's
sweet potato, and I transplanted some stalk on it, so it will grow, and it will going to rain today, so it will be good. And here's carrots, lots of carrots and more carrots, but I think I have to dig this up
and strawberry.
and to maybe replace it some green kale. Then here's, if you haven't seen carrot flower, this is the carrots, the flower of the carrots. A minute be here, you see, it's a carrot here. That's a carrot flowers. So I have tomatoes here also. Tomatoes. It's, see, I forgot the kind of this kind, but this one I have cherry grape tomato. We're just waiting for it to ripe. Get, see, you see, tiny tomato, kamatis, and here's where I got my lettuce. And here more tomatoes. And I have little strawberry patches over here. It's my strawberry. We cover it with a net. Maybe next year we will try to cover it with a black, I don't know what it's called, black covering, so that the strawberries will be safe from the bugs and the slugs. Maybe the strawberry season is done or what? We've been picking strawberries last month, and I'm going to show you also lavender. Yeah, you can wash your hands there in the tub there. Yeah, in the bucket. Yeah, if you can just smell the lavender, it smells good. Yeah, I remember that a Korean series. Jenny and Johnny. I think that's it. They have like that strawberry, I mean lavender thing as a necklace pendant. I'm not sure if that's the movie or the Full House. I'm fan of Korean series also before. There's more tomato. More tomatoes. And I also have hybrid tomato. I mean heirloom tomato. It's on the other side. But I think this is only. Okay, we will go inside the house. Okay. That's all. So next time I will make another video that will show when everything blooms, when everything grown. Yes, B. Um, maybe take 3 months. For 3 or to 4 months for ampalaya.